everybody, this time we're going to be doing a different video. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a room tour. I know, my room's quite small, but I'm used to it. So, one of the first things you see when entering my room is my shelf. I have so much cars in my shelves, you guys don't even believe it. I separated the cars into categories. Like, this is random characters, Cars 1, Cars 2. This one's just Cars 1 Racers. This is mainly just Lightning McQueen from Cars 1 and 2. Down there is just Lightning McQueen from Cars 3. Next to it is just Townies, Cruz Ramirez variants, and Rusty's Racing Center trainees, World Grand Prix Racers, Next Gens, and Cars 3 characters. Next is my window. It's really bright out here. Looking downward, we have my Hot Wheels Deluxe Stunbox crate, my RC Ultimate Lightning McQueen, and my light up cube. This is my second light up cube, which right now this cube's charging, but as soon as I remove it, there, yeah, it makes that sound because apparently this also has like a sound system on the side, so when I place Bluetooth on it, it will immediately work as soon as I press this button. And this is the controller of this cube, but don't forget, I have two cubes. I have this one and the one next to my shelf leading to this kind of like little section here. This is my second cube, which I added like some vehicles here, like my Rev in Action Fabulous Lightning McQueen, and 3 Hot Wheels, being the prototype H24, the Tesla Model 3, and the black Night Shifter, my favorite Hot Wheel. Because you cannot go wrong with black, red, yellow, blue, and gold. You cannot go wrong with it. And this Tesla, if you watched my TikTok, I'll try to leave the link of my TikTok in the description. You may have watched that one of my most recent videos was, the title was Another Tesla Flying to the Moon. Basically, spoilers. Basically, the video is basically just the Tesla just flying up to the air. This is my desk. I just added like a few things here and there. Wait, let me get rid of this portrait. Okay, so right here, this is the controller of this cube. My tripod. I have like these two boxes. This is for my laptop and this is for something else. Normally this is where I do my reviews. If you watched my last review, this is where I've done it. I have the Piston Cup stage here, the Cars 3 coloring book, and I placed some stickers on the wall, like some Cars 3 stickers, some Driven to Win pictures. Here's my Florida 500 stage. I added all my OCs and YouTubers. I have my Cars book, another trophy, a Rusty sign, and a guardrail. This is the Cars 3 Advent calendar box. Here's another Cars 3 poster and the Cars 3 activity book. I have there my PlayStation 3, which leads us to my bedside table. Which my bedside table has my laptop here. And yeah, I'm placing my laptop here and not on the desk. I'm placing it here. There's my huge TV and you can see my body. There's like a trophy. There's like a lamp here, which is full of dust. Ew. There's my water bottle and my PlayStation thing, which also lights up. I have here another phone and my coloring notebook. And behind the water and under the water bottle is my drawing of Summer Me. It's basically just me with sunglasses. And I have the controller here for the TV. And one of the biggest props of my room is my bed. Yes, my bed sheet is flowers. So don't place some dislikes on me. Please don't. This bed's so big you could fit like 3 tanners here. There's like an extra blanket there, but that one's way too hot. I like to sleep with this one. There's like a Cruz Ramirez plush, a Cars Ice Racers pillow, and my teddy bear. There's also a long red pillow. And I also have here my ultimate gaming chair, which is black, red, and white. Which off camera, the chair looks beige, but on camera, it looks white. And I also have here that blue bag. And this white chair. Whenever there's like people over and they want to like sit in my room, they can either sit in the bed, sit on my chair, or use this chair. This is like an extra chair for whoever wants to speak or sit. And that's basically it for my room tour. I'm going to try to get to the entrance so that way I can get a thumbnail of my room. But I want this to be organized. Oh yeah, I completely forgot. Hold on. I completely forgot. Under the shelf, these are basically my toy boxes. I have 4 toy boxes filled with toys. Either Disney cars or Hot Wheels. Hot Wheels mainly is priority this one. Because this one has a lot of Hot Wheels stuff like tracks, vehicles, and has a few Disney cars haulers. And it's so heavy that I have to kick it with my foot because it's so heavy. The rest of these boxes is just Disney Cars play sets. And yeah. And there's also a backpack there, even though I'm not going to school yet because I'm already on holidays. So let me go get a thumbnail of my room. Oh darn, my laptop just turned off. Yeah, normally every 5 minutes the screen goes black, but you just have to slide it on the keyboard so that way it will go back again. There, I got myself a thumbnail, so yeah. That's basically it for my room tour. Thank you so much for watching. Champion Racer Collection saying goodbye and see you later, I guess. Oh, and there's Jay. And Miles. He looks so funny with the microphone. Guys, I completely forgot. I also have here the fan. And I also planned to show a on-the-dark footage of the cubes glowing. And yeah, stuff like that. So, let's light it up. Let me just close these. Okay, one of the cubes glowing. There. Another of the cubes glowing, and now let me turn on this PlayStation thing. Wait, it's not working. Oh, there we go. So yeah, let me close the door. And yeah, my room in nighttime. This is basically what it looks like. There's the cube down there with the speakers. There's another cube over there with some toys, and there's another light up thingy, another PlayStation. There's like a PlayStation light up thingy majingy. Okay, now the video of my room tour is really over. And yeah, there's my Rev in Action Lightning McQueen, which it doesn't work when you press down. It only works when you pull back. Oh wait, let me get this out of the way. There. It only works if you pull back and then you'll go. Yeah.